Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Dream Interpreter feature on the Ask AI chat and get answers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the Fun button in the suggestions section, and after that, you should click on the Dream Interpreter feature, which is the fourth option. Here you can find the instruction. I want you to act as a dream interpreter. I will give you descriptions of my dreams, and you will provide interpretation based on the symbols and themes present in the dream. So here, if you want to, you can customize the instruction, type in your own one, and then you can provide your dream down below. My first dream is about being chased by a giant spider. Feel free to delete this part and type in your own dream, and when you are done, click on the send button on the right side, and in a few seconds you will be able to check out the whole dream interpretation. Here you can see it one by one. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.